Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the audio settings in Forever. Let's begin by opening the game menu. From here select Options. Here go to Audio. In Audio you can change the following types of audio: the master volume, the effects volume, music volume, user interface volume and ambience. Here you can simply change their levels by adjusting those sliders. Master volume controls the overall volume of the game, so I will halve the volume by setting it to 5. Then I can simply customize the volume of the rest. Let's say I don't like the sound of UI, like music and like ambience, so I will set up something like that. Of course, customize those however you wish. Once you are done, simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.